In this video, we'll show you how to monitor your applications, access your service logs, and interact with your service containers all directly through the MedStack Control interface. Click Control in the top menu, enter your cluster configuration, and head to Services and select a service. You can see that MedStack Control gives you direct terminal access so you can run commands, start a shell, and bring up logs all within the interface. MedStack Control gives you direct access to your logs, as well as the ability to run individual one-off commands in your container. You can also start a shell session to invoke a terminal. From here you can run custom queries and perform database maintenance. MedStack Control makes monitoring and auditing easy with our active compliance monitoring system. Here you can check the status of your cluster's health, including CPU consumption and memory usage. If your cluster has been running for a while, you'll also see stats pertaining to your backups and SSL certificate provisioning and renewal history. We hope you enjoyed your tour of MedStack Control, the next generation of MedStack's platform. Sign up now at medstack.co to get started. Thanks for watching.